Evening. Well, I have a feeling our weather's going to get real ugly real fast. We're under a severe thunderstorm watch until 10, severe thunderstorm warning until 5. The reason I think it's going to get ugly is dusk, the dawn lights came on. Yeah. They're talking hail up to 2-inch size. We're talking 50 to 60 mile an hour winds, which is actually living in this corner here can be kind of scary. I've seen the garden things do the flip flop. They're full of dirt, they're wet, but you can see them. Whoa, there was lightning. You can see them kind of lift every once in a while. Come on, if you're going to open up and pour, do it. We need the rain so bad. Now, I did pull my wreath, which is right there, off. Pulled it down and put it in the lawn chair. Because it has already busted my little bunny. I gotta get some glue for that. Come on, Mama Nature. Open up and pour. I'd like to see you get wet all the way back to my deck door, please. That way all this dirt and crap washes down into the crevice. Yeah, I'm seeing little flashes of lightning, but there isn't much for thunder coming up through it. Well, I'm going to go. I'll keep you all posted. Have a great night. Bye.